Hello, my name is Carolina Forero Prieto. I am 24 years old. I am from Socorro, Santander. I live in Bogota with my husband. I am an operator and I'm studying industrial engineering at UNAD. In my free time, I am watching TV and my favorite hobby is read books of mystery. My favorite TV show is Grey's Anatomy. There are three people in my family. My mother is Dora Prieto. She is 64 years old. She is housewife. She is from San Gil, Santander. My mother is short. Her eyes are green and she has black hair. My father is Álvaro Forero. He is 74 years old. He is pensionero. He is from Guamo, Tolima. My father is tall. His eyes are brown and he has black hair. My brother is Freddy Forero Prieto. He is 35 years old. He is freelance. He is from Socorro, Santander. My brother is tall. His eyes are green and he has black hair.